The kitchen spice that nourishes the heart and eliminates parasites. Are you aware that a familiar spice found in nearly every kitchen holds the key to rebuilding your gut health? Imagine a spice that not only enhances gut health but also offers a multitude of health benefits, aiding digestion, annihilating cancer cells, halting heart attacks in their tracks, and even acting as a weight loss ally. You're probably curious about this spice and its name, aren't you? Let's dive in. The fiery fruit of the cayenne plant, Capsicum annuum, has been a celebrated culinary spice for centuries, but its significance in the medicinal world is just as profound, thanks to its numerous health-promoting properties. Packed with vitamins A, C, B complex, calcium, and potassium, cayenne has been scientifically shown to repair stomach tissue and stimulate intestinal peristalsis. It also acts as a catalyst, boosting the efficacy of other herbs and alternative cancer treatments. Have you noticed a runny nose after enjoying spicy salsa? That's cayenne at work, warming the body and prompting mucus release from respiratory passages. Eating fresh hot pepper clears your sinuses and causes sweating. Cayenne raises body temperature by stimulating circulation, an action that's beneficial in reducing fever and easing sinus and cold congestion. Capsaicin, cayenne's active ingredient, has been the focus of medical research. A notable study by Dr. Sanjay K. Srivastava and his team at the University of Pittsburgh School of Medicine in 2004 discovered that capsaicin causes apoptosis, programmed cell death, in cancerous cells while sparing healthy pancreatic cells, as published in the Innovations Report magazine on April 20, 2005. Dr. Srivastava remarked on capsaicin's potential as an anti-cancer agent. A Reuters article on March 16, 2006, titled "Hot Pepper Kills Prostate Cancer Cells in Study," highlighted Dr. Soren Lehmann's findings on capsaicin's significant effects on human prostate cancer cells. Cayenne pepper, celebrated for its heart-nourishing qualities, is often acclaimed for its potential to halt heart attacks rapidly, a claim that has captured the interest of both traditional and alternative medicine practitioners. This fiery spice, rich in capsaicin, is believed to offer significant benefits to the cardiovascular system. According to proponents, cayenne pepper's ability to stop heart attacks within seconds is one of its most extraordinary attributes. This is thought to be due to its effect on blood circulation and heart muscle response, potentially offering a rapid, natural intervention during a cardiac event. Dr. John R. Christopher, an herbalist with over 3.5 decades in medical service, has been a vocal advocate of the benefits of cayenne tea for heart attack patients. He reported notable success in his practice, claiming that administering cayenne tea during a heart attack could provide immediate relief and potentially save lives. His approach suggests that the active components in cayenne pepper, particularly capsaicin, may have a direct and potent effect on the heart's functioning during an emergency. Furthermore, the benefits of cayenne pepper are believed to extend to the venous structure, potentially enhancing blood vessel strength and circulation. This could have implications not only for acute cardiac events but also for long-term heart health, suggesting that regular consumption might contribute to cardiovascular resilience. Additionally, cayenne pepper shows promise in obesity treatment. Recent studies indicate that cayenne consumption can curb appetite and boost fat metabolism. Interestingly, herbalists have historically used cayenne pepper to sterilize and halt bleeding in wounds. Concerned about parasites? Cayenne pepper could be your solution. Simply mix a quarter teaspoon of cayenne pepper in water or juice and drink it to combat parasitic infections. The healing powers of cayenne pepper are undeniable, making it an essential herb for addressing various health conditions. Dr. Richard Schultz famously said mastering cayenne pepper could be the most beneficial health decision. If you haven't incorporated cayenne pepper into your diet, now's the time. Try cayenne tea or keep a cayenne tincture handy for emergencies. Share this knowledge with friends and family to spread the word about cayenne pepper's incredible health benefits. Thanks for watching.